Say, happy birthday! 1, 2, 3, go!
Go.
Yeah. Okay, isa pa. You have to follow Kuya Clam, ha? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Oh, palakpak naman dyan. Good job! Baby girl, get 3 cards. Good job! Okay. Go!
There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side.
Mura mag-itanya nag-birthday.
What's your name?
My father. Aya.
Thank you so much. Here, starts with letter R and ends with letter T. What balloon figure is this? Go.
Rumorate. Rumorate.
Go, what is this?
Balloon.
Balloon! Palakpak naman dyan! Good job! Okay. Okay, what is this?
The rabbit.
A rabbit! Palakpakan naman natin. Good job. And that is your balloon.
You. And then the witch doctor, he told me what to do. He told me.
Ready? First. Wow! Go! Everybody dance, come on! Very good. Okay.